A very good evening. As you can see, this is Anchor Piyush with you today. The speedometer is going on here at Unitech Kolkata. As you can see, the participating brands up here, Renault along with Nissan, Ford, and going to the two-wheeler brands that are really a dream. As Harley Davidson, Tramp and KTM, the sporting racing bikes are up here for you. So we'll go to see, check out the participating brands. Other than that, is totally financed by SDFC Bank. जहाँ पे loans भी sanction हो जाते हैं. It's very much means exciting for me also. So let's go and we will check out the exciting brands there. On. So sir, you are from SDFC Bank जहाँ पे हम देख पा रहे हैं there is an event going on at Unitech जहाँ पे आप लोगों का काफ़ी हाथ ऐसे इवेंट को मतलब ऑर्गेनाइज करने में. So how is the feedback? आपको कैसे लगता है? So many brands are there, so many people are coming, checking out the things out here, the cars, the two-wheelers, along with Harley Davidson, Tramp and KTM. So what's your feedback on that?
Our feedback is excellent because we are doing excellent, business in this segment, and the inquiry is also excellent. Like yesterday, we got close to 150 inquiry for auto and another 50 inquiry for two-wheelers. So close to 200 inquiry a day, which comes to 400 inquiries in total. So we are really happy with the event and the way it has been organized and it has been implemented. We are really hopeful that we'll be doing very good business from this aspect.
Oh, it's really exciting. As you can see, the speedometer is already catching the speed up here. Thank you, sir, for the conversation. Then we will go for the brands which is up here. Starting with Ford, which you can see right out here. Only Ford Figo Aspire, जो कि मार्केट में ऑलरेडी काफ़ी दूर तक तहलका मचा चुकी है. Starting with the Ford Figo Aspire with 174, the ground clearance and many more features that will take your heart. And like it is said, it beats the toughest critics. So it's up here. Other than that, an Aston Martin design. Again, the all-new Ford Figo is also up there for you, which you can check out. So these all are the brands which are participating here at Speedometer. This was all from the food house. Let's come and check it out for the Renault part. As you can see from the Renault part, only Renault Duster, which is very much masculine looks, which you can see right now, right here. An amazing color. Other than that, a powerful SUV, which we are actually saying on that. Other than that, a powerful engine, 475 liters of boot space, and a four-wheel drive makes it a perfect SUV. So this is all from the SUV section. Let's go into the mileage-giving cars, which is up there. जो कि already इस Unitech के सेक्टर में स्पीडोमीटर में काफ़ी तहलका मचा चुकी है. The all-new Renault Kwid, which you can see, an 800cc engine. Along with that, you are getting is a 300 liters of boot space, and the mileage, which is really exciting, that is 25 kilometers per liter. So this was all from the Renault part. Now next we will go to the Nissan part, where we will see that what Nissan has brought here at Speedometer. So you must be excited about all these things, but this is happening at Unitech for the people of Unitech who are working here at the corporate. Next, as we move on to the Unitech, और एक बार मैं बता दूं कि SDFC is one of the biggest clients who have powered here for the speedometer. Next is Nissan, the all-new Nissan Sunny, which you can see, which we call it is not just a car, it's a car. Along with the length which you can see, ये इसकी turning radius इतनी खास है कि आप कितनी भी कम जगह में इसे घुमा सकते हैं. Means turning radius is very less. Seeing the car so big. Other than that, it's a powerful engine, 1.5 liters, makes it a perfect sedan with the best-in-class mileage. So this was all from the sedan section from Nissan. Next, going to the SUV section again, we're from the Renault part. Next is Duster. This is only Nissan Tirana, which is up here. Masculine looks, a powerful car, which is up here for you. Other than that, we can see the looks and the mileage, and it's very much spatial. Let me see. उसके लिए आपको क्या करना होगा? अंदर बैटरी भी check out how what the features are for this car. Next, after the four-wheeler sections, we will move on to the two-wheeler section, where the Bengal Harley Davidson is up here for you. Let's go. As you can see, a lot of people are already have gathered here for seeing these three amazing bikes which are up here, the two-wheelers from the Harley Davidson house. So we will also look on that. Come. As you can see, three bikes from the Harley Davidson house are up here. Street 750, Iron 883, and the biggest one is here. That is the Giant, a 1700cc. So Dipan from Harley Davidson is up here with me. Dipan,
Hi.
how is your feedback up here at the speedometer?
It's good. It's very good. A lot of people are very, very enthusiastic on our bikes. Feeling good about it. We have brought three bikes today. We have got a Street 750, an Iron 83, and this is the Boss, the Road King.
So, क्या आप इसे ऑन करके थोड़ी रोड किंग को हमें भी सुना सकते हैं? काफी सारे पब्लिक यहाँ पे खड़ी है. साउंड आप लोग सुनना चाहते हो? थोड़ी जोर से आवाज कर दो. Yeah. So the Harley जो यहाँ पे है, जो रोड किंग है, जिसे we are saying it the road king is going to get started. This is impact which you can see. You are seeing it? was the impact which we saw what came from Harley Davidson House Bengal. Next we'll move on to Tram. Thanks Dipan.
Thank you.
For giving us simple interview पर बताने के लिए कि क्या-क्या चीजें आप यहाँ पे लेके आए. वैसे आपकी feedback बहुत अच्छी है. So next we will move on to Tram here. Tram, the British Giants, which are again the British Giants were up here with their piece. Talking about this one will come later. So पहले हम यहाँ पर आए. So as you can see, already there's these people are working here very hard to make this event a successful one. Vivek from Tram is up here with Vivek. Vivek, how is the feedback of this event? Are the people coming here, checking out your bikes, pets, selfies, later? They are very much excited about seeing the Tram bikes right now, right here at Unity.
Yeah, very true. They are very much interested. They are showing interest on the super bikes, and it seems very good. Like nowadays, you know, the culture is changing. Before, earlier it was like मैं bike लूँगा, इससे अच्छा गाड़ी ले लूँगा. But nowadays I'm seeing the changes in the people. So the crowd is good. Even we are enjoying. The place is good.
So can you show me the model starting with this? This one?
This is my classic segment, and basically the entry level. This is 900cc parallel twin engine, and this is the modern classic. It means that it has traction control, ABS, it has liquid cooled engine, ride by wire.
And this one is coming to the fourth section, that is Daytona 675cc, right? Yeah, I'm very much excited about this bike actually. So can you make me hear some voice of this bike?
Sure.
कैसा आवाज़ है, कैसे क्या? वहाँ पे हम ऑलरेडी सुन के आए हैं, यहाँ पर भी हमें सुनने की बहुत ही एक्साइटमेंट है. तो you will be also be excited about hitting this Daytona, that is 675cc from the Tram house here at Speedometer, which is happening here, powered by SDFC Bank. Really noisy, और I hope कि जब ये रोड पे यहाँ से लोग कोई खरीद के लेके जाए तो it makes an impact जो कि सारे लोगों ने देखे. That's the main thing which we feel. बिल्कुल देखते हैं. Other than that, the beast is there. मैं उसे ऑन करने के लिए नहीं बोलूँगा. It's already making a lot of noise here and Unitech. Thank you for giving such an interview. वैसे मुस्ताज हमारी एक जैसी हैं. So we'll go to KTM next, where KTM is also up here with lots of bikes right now. Starting with KTM RC 390, which is up here for you at Speedometer. So there is not an end of two-wheelers. There are a lot of sections happening here at two-wheeler section. This is 390 from KTM. Other than that, there is Duke, that is Duke 390. So as you all know, KTM is the 13 times consecutive winner of Dakar Rally. 13 times would believe the toughest rally on the face of the only KTM is up here if you are ready to race. So all this and already जो दिख रहा है काफ़ी कलरफुल बाइक्स हैं जो कि ऑलरेडी बहुत ही अच्छा इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट कर रहे हैं सारे लोगों के सामने. और इसके अलावा यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी मार्केट को हिट कर चुके हैं. क्या ऑन करके हमें आवाज़ें सुनी चाहिए? ऑन कर दो भाई, एक बार इनकी भी आवाज़ें सुन लें. ऐसे कोई मतलब इट इज़ अ पॉकेट फ्रेंडली बाइक विच यू कैन सी, एंड आई एम लाइकिंग दिस बाइक एंड ऑल्सो गोइंग फॉर नाइट आउट हियर. Can I take a test ride of that bike if you don't mind? So this is the end of the thing, but I will take a test drive of this Duke because I am planning to purchase that Duke right now. Can you give me the key? So this is not the end. Many things are up here for you. You can also drop in here at Unity, which is happening here at Speedometer with me, Anchor Arav, here to assist you. This is the last day of the activity. Other than that, my assistant is also there to make me help. Can you hold this? So as you can see, I'm checking out here.